Hey there, entrepreneurs! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I've got a game changer for you. Finding that ideal name for your business, YouTube channel, or product. Let's dive into the step-by-step process using none other than ChatGPT. Open your browser and head to chat.openai.com. That's the ChatGPT platform. And if you're new and wondering how to get started, don't worry. I've got a video on creating an account. Links down below, super simple. Ready? Here we go. Suppose you want a smashing name for their food photography business. They've turned to you for help. Let me guide you. Load up ChatGPT with a prompt like, I want to start a food photography business. Can you suggest one or two word names that are easy to spell, related to food, and catchy? And watch the AI works its magic. If you're hungry for more options, prompt ChatGPT for more and just click on Regenerate. But wait, there's more. Before you fall head over heels for a name, do a reality check. Confirm domain name availability and matching social media handles. Consistency is king in branding. And there you have it, a strategy to create a fantastic name using ChatGPT. If you found this video helpful, give it all thumbs up and hit subscribe for more business brilliance. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.